Hi, my name is Amy. I'm a student at Pace University. This semester I'm taking AIT381, Emerging Broadband Technologies. We learned a lot this semester, including compression, encapsulation, transport methods, video streaming, multitasking, content ownership, transport security. One of the things that I think we briefly touched on, but I'm not positive, is IPTV billing. I definitely wanted to know more about it. I did a little investigation on my own, found out some good information, put it together. Here's my short movie. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. IPTV combines the services from many types of systems, and this can add substantial complexity to back-office systems, such as billing and customer care. These complexities come in the form of optimization of network capacity, individualized treatment of multifaceted media events, and the capturing of data needed to settle and manage service partnerships. In addition, the back-office systems from an existing service must also be integrated with IPTV operation systems. Unfortunately, some of the existing systems are currently configured for fairly simple service models. For example, many Internet service providers have billing systems built exclusively flat rate and per byte pricing that normally just invoice for monthly hosting or email service without any usage metrics. IPTV services will require accurate measurement and identification of service usage that can be verified by independent third parties to ensure program royalties are accurately paid and events are accounted for appropriately. IPTV will drive the need for real-time billing and flow-through automated provisioning. This will allow the service provider to offer IPTV at the lowest possible cost while still allowing the customer to have control over service initiation and changes of features for their specific service. This type of flexibility must be seen in the billing and associated OSS processes. This includes applications that require prepaid, real-time, and other various accounting scenarios. Not only will billing be affected, but also the need to drive data down to fraud, network control, and marketing systems. The ability to use the usage data collected from each service for billing is just one part of the equation. The data itself is valuable for many other back office and financial processes. One of the key challenges of existing business support systems is that they use a fixed record size with predefined codes. This was important in billing systems several years ago because it was not economical to process billing records of variable length. Flexibility was sacrificed for simplicity and limited the types of products to increase the processing speed for usage records. However, the computer systems of today can easily handle records with variable length. This evolution allows the addition and removal of data elements based on the requirements of service. The introduction of differentiated business rules based on the type of service data received will be a key challenge for back-office systems. There are a number of business models which service providers use to support IPTV service. Profitable revenue is generated by utilizing various available commercial service products. Generally, commercial service products are designed in accordance to the service provider's policies and marketing strategies. Commercial billing models with price are categorized as follows. Free. Viewers can watch IPTV service or use it without paying for it. Subscription. Viewers pay an amount of money regularly in order to watch or use IPTV service. Package. Viewers select and use some bundled services which are already organized by the service provider. Then they pay for the bundled services which they choose. A la carte. Viewers buy whichever channels and services they want and pay a regular price for each. The channel or service is composed not by the service provider but by the user. Pay-per-view and pay-per-use. Viewers purchase each service, content, or application seen on TV at any time and pay for only the item they buy. Each service or content can be purchased using an on-screen guide, an automated telephone system, or through a live customer service representative. Cashback point. A cashback point is a prepaid e-money or ticket for IPTV service. A cashback point user can pay for the service fee in the IPTV service domain like real money. There are many billing standards that have been developed for telecommunications networks. Because the services offered by different types of network operators are beginning to overlap, billing standards are also converging. Some of the billing standards that may be used for or linked to IPTV billing systems include Internet Protocol Detail Record, IPDR, Automated Message Accounting, AMA, Cellular Intercarrier Billing Exchange Record, CYBR, and Transferred Account Procedures, TAP. IPDR is well suited to be the usage measurement standard as it is flexible and can be expanded as the quantities and types of services increase. However, it is likely that many legacy telephone and mobile billing systems, such as AMA, CYBR, and TAP, will need to be linked or used with IPTV billing systems. IPDR.org is working with a host of industry organizations on the definition of standards that will support convergent network and services. Internet Protocol Detail Record, or IPDR, is a standard billing format that is used for exchanging information about and over IP data communication systems. The IPDR billing standard allows for the use of variable length data packets and includes user-definable fields to allow IPDR billing records to be adapted for many different types of services. IPDR data records contain information related to an IP-based communication session. This information usually contains identification information of the users of the service, the types of services used, quantity measurement unit types such as kilobits or time, quantities of the services used, quality of service parameters, and the date and time the services were used. Automatic Message Accounting, or AMA, is a standard record gathering and billing format that is used primarily by local telephone companies to process billing records and exchange records between systems. The AMA format was created by Bellcore and is now managed by Telcordia. Carrier Inter-Exchange Billing Exchange Record, or CYBR, is a billing standard designed to promote inter-carrier roaming between cellular and other wireless telephone systems. The CYBR format is developed and maintained by CyberNet. The Cellular Telecommunications Industry Association, CTIA, owns CyberNet. CYBR records primarily include identification of airtime charges, taxes, and interconnection toll charges. CYBR record field structure was updated to include additional fields that allow for telephone number portability, enabling telephone number transfer between carriers. Transferred Accounting Process, or TAP, is a standard billing format that is primarily used for third-generation WCDMA wireless, Global System for Mobile GSM cellular, and Personal Communication Systems PCS. Due to the global nature of 3G wireless and GSM, the TAP billing standard provides solutions for multilingual and multi-exchange rate issues. TAP offers a variable record size and billing information for many new types of services, such as billing for short messaging and other information services. The GSM Association manages the TAP standard. I believe that Renata Silva of Siemens sums up the challenge of IPTV billing quite nicely when she says, "The ability to provide real-time, flexible billing solutions will be critical to the success of many service providers as they enter new markets such as IPTV. As subscribers change services through self-service portals operated by service providers, they will want to view billing trends and see what impact changing services will have on billing. The provisioning and billing functions are vital for service providers looking to launch new home entertainment services. How well providers handle these functions will go a long way towards determining how successful they are in these exciting new business opportunities. Through simplified back-office applications that enable a variety of provisioning options, such as self-provisioning and real-time flexible billing, service providers will enjoy lower total cost of ownership and a higher return on investment. I hope you got a little something out of this information. Thanks for watching, and of course I didn't come up with all this information out of nowhere. I did use some websites, and I want to give credit to the people who investigated and found this information before me. Thanks a lot, and it was a great semester.